Go to My IP address to check your IP address. Go to Proxy Link Pro. Go to Proxy Generator. Choose a location. Choose the protocol HTTP. Generate an address and copy what is displayed on the screen. Open Windows Settings. Go to Network and Internet. Go to Proxy. Check Use a proxy server. Paste the address copied on Proxy Link Pro. Copy the generated port and paste it in the port settings box on Windows. Save. Then copy the identifiers as displayed on the screen in the Connection tab that appears. The proxy is configured.